Greetings, Johnny Linoleum here. Today we're going to take a look at the Icon TW38-200 90-tooth click type torque wrench. 40 to 200 inch-pounds, accurate within 4% over and under, and to 3/8 drive. Measures in inch-pounds, 40 to 200. So that's the box. It comes with a certificate of calibration and an instruction manual. The case itself, I mean, it's alright, I guess. It's got the see-through window, and it's a little wide, but it works. Now for the tool itself. The fit and finish on this is outstanding. Nice knurled handle. Feels good in the hand. The only problem I have, I guess because I'm older, I have a difficult time reading the numbers. I can do it in natural light or under a magnifying glass with a lamp. But in the garage right now with the lights on, I can't see it at all. So I like it. It's regular, you pull the collar down, set it and go. So let's get it set up here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Alright, right now I have it set at 80 inch-pounds. .6, 80.1, 79.8, 79.5, and we'll do one more. 79.4. So the results on this are very good. I ran it through 3 series of tests, and the best I got was at 70 inch-pounds. It came back at 0.28% difference. At 100, 0.09% difference. And at 125, 0.16%. Now, this thing is pretty good. I like it. It's a good value. I picked it up. It lists for $105. I had a $20 gift certificate from Harbor Freight, and it was a 20% off deal. So I got it for like 68 bucks. If you can pick this thing up for, I don't know, in the 80s or $80 or less, you've got a deal, and I think you should go for it. That's it for now. Next video will be the Warren and Brown. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Thank you.